Dr. Charu at Yogaheals. Today we are going to learn a relatively simple but very important and beneficial pose called tree pose, Vrakshasana in Hindi. Friends, tree pose helps us to maintain our balance on one leg while supporting the other on the one that we are standing on. It obviously helps to strengthen the muscles of the calves, the thighs, overall legs, the spine, and if we take our hands above our head, even the arms. Tree pose is excellent for people suffering from sciatica, the lower back pain which radiates down to the back of the leg because of compression of nerves in the spine. It is very beneficial to get relief from that pain. It's very common among office goers. It also helps to correct flat feet. It's even great for insomnia if you're having trouble sleeping. And it can also help in improving headache. It's an excellent asana for improving your focus, your concentration, your sense of balance, both physical and emotional and mental. So let's see how to perform Vrakshasana tree pose.
We will begin from the right side. Stand with your feet together, your hands by the sides of your body, shoulders relaxed. Ground yourself well through your feet and then lift your right foot, press it against the left thigh. You can also press it against the calf. Above or below the knee is fine, just avoid the knee directly. Fix your gaze at a point in front of you. If possible, open up your hands with your palms facing inwards, or just keep your hands pressed against each other in front of your chest. Observe your breath and release slowly. And now repeat the same on the left side. Lift your left foot, press it against the right thigh or the right calf. Shoulders are relaxed. Observe your breath and keep your gaze fixed at an object or point which is not moving. And release.
So this was tree pose. Get your sense of balance back, improve your focus, get better at your work, in your relationships, listen to your partner more, listen to your children more. Happy to answer any questions. Thank you.